Hello, good morning dear students, and welcome to today's class. So today in the last class we have solved some problems. Today we are going to see another derivation, that is velocity attained after traveling a distance. Yes, okay. So today we are going to see one derivation, that is velocity attained. This is third number, this is third part, that is velocity attained after traveling distance, after traveling some distance. Okay, after traveling a distance, yes, so we know s is the distance. So velocity attained after traveling a distance. Yes, okay. So this is the concept today, and we know, I have already said that this equation can be derived by using two methods. The first one is calculus graphical method, and second one is calculus method. So today we are going to see the calculus method first, okay, to derive this equation. So we know the diagram. I have to draw this graph, that is velocity time graph. So this is time, this is velocity, right? So this is the point A. The body is moving with the velocity, initial velocity u. This is point A, this is initial velocity u, and after some time the body is at point B, having, after some time means time equal to t here is the timer. Okay, at this time the velocity of the body has changed, that is became v. So u to v ge change aitu velocity. So this is uniformly accelerated motion, therefore acceleration is constant, and therefore I am getting a straight line graph. Okay, so the diagram was like this. Sorry. Okay, so this is C, I am giving this name as D, this is O, okay, so this is V, finally this makes some angle theta here, right? So this is our equation, and we know, so this distance is, this is U and this is V minus U, because from here to here it is V and from here to here it is U, okay. So you know BC equal to V minus U and CD equal to U. Okay. Now we know the area under velocity time graph. Okay. We know to derive this equation. Let's start this derivation. Are you ready? Okay. So the area under VT graph will give you the distance traveled by the body, that is S. Okay, so S is equal to area under VT graph. So what is the area? So this is the VT graph, this is our VT graph. So if I calculate the area of this trapezium, then you can say that is nothing but the displacement. Just see here. So this is a trapezium, okay. The area of a S is equal to area of trapezium OABD. So idhardu area namge gottaidre OABD. If you calculate this area, last class also we have done this, okay, adu area calculate madidre namge en sigutte, S sigutte, okay. Just see, so area of the trapezium OABD. So we know the area of a trapezium formula is half into sum of parallel sides into perpendicular distance. Okay, so area of a trapezium can be calculated as half into sum of parallel sides into perpendicular distance. So parallel side is this and this OA and BD are parallel, so it's sum. Okay, just take its sum, half into OA plus BD, half into OA plus BD into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance andre either middle neck perpendicular distance ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು AC. So that is nothing but the AC. In the last class we have done this. Okay, so just keep it here. Now come here. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅದ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಡಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆಮ್ಯಾಗ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಆ ಕಡೆ. ಸೊ ನೋ acceleration. ಸೊ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದು ವಿ ಟಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇಂದು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಟಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಟಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ acceleration. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಟಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು acceleration. ನಮಗೆ acceleration ಕೊಡೋದು. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ tan theta, right? Tan theta. So tan theta is nothing but this is theta, this is opposite, that is BC by opposite divided by base. Base is nothing but AC, right? So if you don't know tan theta, just go into the 10th class and see the book. Tan theta is nothing but opposite by base. So that is theta, opposite side is BC divided by base side is AC. Okay, ಇದು ಬಿ ಸಿಗೆನಾ? ಬಿ ಸಿಗೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆನಾ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? ಸೊ ಬಿ ಸಿಗೆ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಇದು ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಹೌ ಮಚ್? ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಸಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Or we have seen BC is nothing but V minus U. Okay, so BD is how much? V, and CD is U, CD is U. So V minus U divided by AC. So if I take AC this side, AC is side tagori. So finally V minus U divided by A. Okay, take it as equation number 1. So take it as equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. So AC is equal to V minus U divided by A. Now come here. Adu bidri ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬನ್ನಿ. Half into OA is nothing but U plus BD ಏನ್ರಿ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಬಿ ಡಿ ಬಿ ಟು ಡಿ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಇದು ಏನೈತಿ ಅಮ್ಮ? ಬಿ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ವಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಓ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಯು, ಬಿ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ವಿ, ಯು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಸಿ. ಎ ಸಿ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಂದೈತಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ? ವಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಯು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ, ರೈಟ್? ವಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಯು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ. Now just take this a is in denominator, so I will write it here 1 by 2a into u plus v into u minus v. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. Okay, so it is v minus u, v minus u. Okay, so I can write it like this: 1 by 2a into v plus u, idu v plus u anta baribodu, into v minus u. Now ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So this is the formula of 10th class. I think you know this. Okay, so finally 1 by 2a into a plus b, v plus u into v minus u will be v square minus u square. Okay, So it is S is equal to 1 by 2a into v square minus u square. If I take this 2a this side, so it will become 2as is equal to v square minus u square, or else you can say v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So this is the required equation. Okay, so velocity attained after traveling a distance s can be calculated by using this equation, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. I hope you understood this. Suppose you have any doubts in this, you can ask me. So one more time for you, I will repeat this. So velocity attained after traveling a distance s. So this is what we want to calculate. Okay. So area under VT graph is nothing but the distance traveled by the body. We know this. Distance traveled by the body is nothing but area under velocity time graph. So S is equal to area of the trapezium. So this is the velocity time graph. Okay. So either the area, that is O, A, B, D, either the area will give you, this area will give you, what it will give you? It will give you the distance traveled. Okay. So finally area of the trapezium is given by half into sum of parallel side into perpendicular distance. Okay. Sum of parallel side andre parallel side is OA and BD, both are the parallel sides, into perpendicular distance is nothing but the AC. So it is U plus V into AC. Now AC andre, see, A is nothing but the acceleration is nothing but the slope of VT graph. Either the slope tagidre adu acceleration, and we know slope A, that is A, slope of VT graph is tan theta, and tan theta is opposite by base, that is BC by AC, and BC can be written as BD minus CD. So finally it is A is equal to V minus U divided by AC. So AC is equal to V minus U divided by A. Okay. So finally if you substitute that in this equation, so half into OA is U plus OBD is V into V minus U divided by A. AC is V minus U divided by A. So finally 1 by 2, if I take this A, if I write this A outside and C, U plus V into V minus U. Sorry for inconvenience. So U plus V into V minus U. So 1 by 2A into V plus U into V minus U. So finally A plus B into A minus B is nothing but A square minus B square. So finally what we will get? 2as. So I am taking this 2a this side, so it will become 2as is equal to V square minus U square, or V square minus U square is equal to 2as. So I hope you understood this. So this is about the graphical method. Idu graphical method aitu. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ graphical method ಬೇಡ, ನಾವು calculus method ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, so one more type I will do. So just remember this final equation, that is V square minus U square is equal to 2as. Dust allergy. Okay, don't worry. It's not a corona. Okay, now let's see the calculus method. Calculus method in the solve model. Calculus method. So from this method, what we are going to do? We are going to derive this equation, that is V square minus U square is equal to 2as. So finally our aim is to get this equation by using the calculus method. Aram. Okay, how are you? Aramadiralla? So let's see. V square minus U square is equal to 2as. This is the equation what we wanted to draw or derive. So V is equal to just take this v is equal to dx by dt. Everybody know this. Velocity is nothing but change in distance, change in displacement or displacement by time. Okay, so dx is displacement, dt is time. Okay, now what to do? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Okay, v is equal to dx by dt into dv by dv. ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. ಡಿ ವಿ ಡಿ ವಿ ಏನು ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಟಿ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ವಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ವಿ. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸೇಮೇ ಇರುತ್ತದು. ಸೊ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಗೆ ಡಿ ವಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ವಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹಾಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಡಿ ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕಿ ಡಿ ವಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬರೋಣ. ಸೊ ಡಿ ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಾ, ಡಿ ವಿ ನೀ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರು, ನೀ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ ಟಿ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರು ಇದು ಡಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸೇಮ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಟಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದ್ಲಾ ಬದಲಿ ಮಾಡಿವ್ರಿ. ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಏನಾದರೂ ನೆನಪು ಬರತೈತಿ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ ವಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಟಿ. ಡಿ ವಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ. I think you remember, change in velocity divided by change in time is nothing but the acceleration. Just substitute here. So v is equal to dx by dt into a. Okay, ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಕರ ಏನಂದರೆ ಇದು ಡಿ ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ ವಿ ಐತಿ, ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ ವಿ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ವಿ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ವಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಆಯಿತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೆ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ. ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ವಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ವಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ. ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ integrate it. Okay, so integration v into dv is equal to integration a into dx. So this is uniformly accelerated motion and we know therefore acceleration is constant. So we are deriving all the equations for uniformly accelerated motion. Andre acceleration always constant irutte. So constant irutte term always take it outside. Okay, so let's see integration of v into dv. I have said already that integration of t raised to n into dt, in t raised to n into dt idre it is t raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Hange same integration of v into dv aiti. So it is nothing but integration of v raised to n into dv idre dv irbeka, v raised to n into dv will be v raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this is the integration formula. Just substitute by using that. So here v raised to 1 aiti. So again, so what, by using that formula, v raised to n plus 1 divided by v raised to 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to a is constant, integration of dx hange barodu. Okay, so finally it is v square by 1 plus 1 is how much, 2. Gottalla, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. I think you know this. ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ವಿ ವಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಟಿ ಟಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ದಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಲಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. So just for now you are still small students of PUC 1. So just ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ a into x plus you have to add integration constant always. So whenever you are integrating, so you have to add some constant, that is called as constant of integration. Now, so what we got, v square by 2 is equal to ax. ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಣತ್ತೈತಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. ಹಾಂ, v square by 2 is equal to ax plus k. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, at x equal to 0, ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ at x equal to 0, the velocity, that is initial velocity. At x equal to some distance, it is will be some final velocity. So x equal to 0, v will be equal to u. v ಏನಿರುತ್ತಾ, u ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 0 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ನರ್ಗೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ 0 ಇದ್ದರೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು u ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮತ್ತೇನೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ x equal to 0 and v equal to u, what we will get, see. So what is v? v equal to u. So u square divided by 2 is equal to a into x is how much? 0 plus k. So finally what we will get? U square by 2 is equal to a into 0 is a. No, a into 0 is 0. 0 plus k. So finally u square by 2 is equal to k. K value ಸಿಕ್ತು. K value ಏನ? u square by 2. Just substitute it here. ಈ equation ನಾಗ k value ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. So v square by 2 is equal to a into x plus k is how much? u square by 2. Just take this u square by 2 this side, it is plus u square by 2. If you take this side v square by 2, it will become minus. So minus u square by 2 is equal to ax. Just take 1 by 2 common here. Common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ v square minus u square is equal to ax. Just take this to this side. So what we will get? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ? Take this to this side. So v square minus u square is equal to 2ax. And we know x is nothing but the distance traveled. So therefore v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So finally from the calculus method we got this equation. Nodri, v square is minus u square is equal to 2as. So this is the method, that is calculus method, to derive this equation. So remember this equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay. So let me tell you once again. One more time I'll tell you. Just observe it carefully. v is equal to dx by dt. Andre velocity is nothing but distance, displacement divided by time. So dx is displacement, dt is time. Okay. So what we have done? Some masti ಮಾಡಿವಿ. ಏನು ಮಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತ? v is equal to dx by dt into dv by dv. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ v is equal to dx by, ಇದು dv ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ dt ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಳಿಸಿವಿ. ಸೊ dx by dv into dv by dt. And we know v is equal to dx by dv into dv by dt. dv by dt. dv by dt will be change in acceleration divided change in time. Change in velocity by change in time is nothing but the acceleration. So acceleration. So either dv ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. So it will become v into dv is equal to a into dx. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So v into dv is equal to integration of a into dx. Okay. So we know integration of v raised to n into dv will be equal to v raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So if you substitute it, v raised to 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 into a is the constant, because we are talking about the uniformly accelerated motion. So acceleration is always constant here. So is constant into integration of dx. Okay, right. So v raised to 1 plus 1 is v square divided by 2. Therefore a is equal to a into x plus k. So you have to add integration of dx is nothing but x. So whenever you are integrating, you have to add some integration constant k. So v square. So here. ಸೊ ವಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ ಟು ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಝೀರೋ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಝೀರೋ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಯು, ಅಂದರೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ. ಆಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಝೀರೋ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ initial velocity. So therefore u square by 2 is equal to a into x is 0 in plus k. So u square by 2 is equal to k. So finally what we got, k value is v u square by 2. So finally just substitute this k value in this. V square by 2 is equal to ax plus u square by 2. So just take this u square by 2 this side, it will become u square by 2 minus u square by 2 is equal to ax. So if you take 1 by 2 common here, so finally v square 1 by 2 into v square minus u square is equal to ax. So just take adu 2 e side karsidre, so it will be v square minus u square is equal to 2ax, and x is nothing but the distance traveled by the body, so therefore I can replace it by s. Okay, so finally we got the answer, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you understood this. So you need some integration to solve this. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯುಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾ ಹೇಳೀನಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಈಗ ಸಾಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಏನೂ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದು ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್. Okay, otherwise not required. So graphical method is also there, you can go through that. Okay, so ishta ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ integration ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ you can easily do this. So I hope you understood this, and thank you very much. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and meet you in the next class. Till that time, best of luck, good luck, do well. Thank you very much. Bye bye.